Good morning, everyone. I'm super excited today because I'm going to be heading out to our community garden plot this morning. It's going to be really fun to show you what it's like and how beautiful it is to have a space like that, especially in a city like Stockholm, where we all live in apartments for the most part. But first, I'm going to make a smoothie. I like to keep frozen berries in the freezer all the time to add to smoothies. And what is really amazing about berries is that they actually contain compounds that help to not only fight inflammation, but also to train our cells to resist inflammation in the future. That's pretty amazing because inflammation is a huge part of this gut health and skin and PCOS issues. So put in some banana just to bulk it up a little bit. Protein powder, help keep me a bit more full from this smoothie. Okay, then we have chia seeds and ground flax seeds. So I'm going to add in about half a tablespoon of chia seeds. I like to grind up the flax seeds. Find them hard to digest otherwise. So I just put some into a coffee grinder and then they come out in a nice powder that's much easier on the digestive system. And then I just keep it in the fridge. Flax seeds are amazing, not only because they are high in fiber, which is amazing because, it helps to keep things moving, which is really important. But they're also super high in omega-3s, which are so important for inflammation. So they're high in a plant-based omega-3 called alpha-linolenic acid. And this is really great to help to decrease inflammation. I like adding coconut oil. Like the protein, it will help to keep me feeling full for longer. I also use coconut oil because it contains medium chain fatty acids that have antimicrobial properties. It'll help to kill off different bacteria and yeasts, which is really important when you have a bit of like a leaky gut issue, skin issue going on. So one of the biggest things that I try to do is to get out for a walk every day, or at least some kind of exercise. Today I am doing a bit of a power walk, only about 3 kilometers away, which means that it takes about 30 minutes or so. Okay, I have arrived to one of my favorite spots in Stockholm. It's part of a bigger community garden, but we have this whole plot to ourselves. So we've built these 2 structures because in the past couple of years things haven't grown well or they've been eaten by the animals. So this year we decided to get serious. So it doesn't look like much right now, but we have planted a ton of veggies in here. Beetroot, carrot, radishes, Swiss chard. We did plant some tomatoes and they died. Like, those were tomato plants. There's nothing left to see. Here I planted some basil and that is starting to grow. Here's a raspberry bush. We planted that a couple of years ago, but he hasn't done so much yet. Here's a sunflower plant. It's his first year, so welcome to the colony lot. He has a friend over there as well. And these are black currant and red currant bushes. Over here, we have something growing. We can't quite remember what we've planted everywhere. Those are definitely peas or beans of some kind. Someone's growing here. This is our rhubarb plant. He's still getting stronger every year, but he keeps coming back. Here, we have Matt's hops plant. So someday, this should hopefully be strong enough and grow big enough up this structure, and he can use it in his beer. There's a watermelon patch in here. 2 kinds of mint growing here, and then these ones are strawberry plants. So they come back every year. That's why they're looking a little bit better. Some thyme over here. And we've planted lots of parsley over there with a little bit left from last year. So we got this colony lot the very first summer that we spent here in Stockholm. It's amazing. I have absolutely fallen in love with this space. It's just my favorite to be able to come here and hang out. But I've also really fallen in love with gardening. And I think it's more about the connection to our food. Being able to see it grow ourselves and care for it and know how much love has gone into it, and then to feed our bodies with that is, I think, an amazing thing that we can do for ourselves, our health. I was a bit intimidated by gardening at first. I just get some seeds and try to give it as much water and love and sunshine as it needs. So we'll see what this summer brings for us at the colony lot.